Hey, good morning. And now the real fun begins.
It finally happened. I moved in. So this is what my bedroom looked like at the moment. And this is all I left home with. And still is all I possess. Except now I have a house. And this is my view out of the window. So the window is facing north. So I can see the northern lights and the stars at night. Which is just perfect. I sleep with the window open, and when I wake up, I hear all these animal sounds, and the air is so fresh, I can smell the forest. The stove can keep it a steady temperature all night, and I sleep like a bear in hibernation in this temporary bed. So I couldn't wish for anything else. So the feeling of living in your self-built home is even better than I expected. I must admit that the last few weeks in winter were tough, and I thrived mainly on discipline, which is not always the most fun. Now, every time I open my eyes and I wake up, I am reminded why I started this new life. And this, together with the spring, gives me such a motivational boost. This cabin is, of course, just the beginning of what I'm about to do, and there's still lots of work to be done before I can live off the land. Alright, well, I go on my morning walk and then I show you the cabin. I'm just returning for my morning walk, and today I'm going to show you what I have been up to, mainly embracing my new slow way of living. But I've done quite a lot of things. So I have repaired all the windows, refurbished actually. So people gifted me windows or I bought them. And I've been on a lot of expeditions to get a better understanding of the area. So I've been cleaning the walls, waxing the floors, and installing some new furniture in the cabin. So I will show you in a minute. It's not that cold, it is now -5 or something. The mornings are like this, so I like to walk and explore the area in the morning. I have some furniture, well, at least some temporary furniture, and I think it looks nice already. It's just such a significant difference when spring is starting and you get this early morning sun, and it's just you notice it. It's increasing your energy, your mood is changing. You really got a feeling like you're getting out of winter, and that's just so nice. So I want to make content that is fun to watch, but also that is fun to make for me. And if I have the feeling that there is no value in it, then I don't enjoy making it. So that's the reason why it has been a bit quiet, but it doesn't mean that I'm not working on future plans and also to make new content for you. Alright, let's head inside. So in the beginning I need to light this stove from the ashtray to increase the draft. Took me a few fires, but now I really got the hang of it. So, I will show you around and yeah, let's look at what happened. So one thing I've done is I made a floor protection plate, nailed it to the floor. I made a cover ring for the chimney. And then I just cleaned all the walls. So once the cabin was warm, all the frost was gone and I could remove the sawdust. And with the angle grinder I removed all the knots. So all the walls are smooth now in the whole cabin. As you can see, I placed some temporary furniture. So I got a little table here and a little bench. And here are the windows I refurbished. So these two small windows, they will come in the knock of the roof. A smaller rectangular window, which I am thinking of placing there. And I have a big window here that I will place, I think, over there. And then I have another big window which will be here. The dinner table will be right here. And then I will have a spiral stairs right here. It will go up just near the middle of the loft. So yeah, the floor is finished now. I think it looks decent, and I put a couple of coatings of oil wax. It's matte, so it doesn't shine, and it's easy to clean. It's been hardening out now, and yeah, I'm excited to fit in those windows. I don't know if you can hear it, but the ravens are going mad outside. So I got some help designing my spiral stairs. I want to show you the drawings. So let's begin with the beginning. So the spiral stairs will be 3/4, so almost a full circle. Then the construction will be split logs as stairs. So that means that I have a split log, that is a stair. And then I put a cut log in between and 2 pegs all the way through, and then you just stack them upon each other. So that's the idea. The stairs will be 28 centimeters from point to point outwards, 70 centimeters long, and I will have 1 support and then of course an arm bar. So it will look like this, and then 3/4 round, and then enter the loft just past the point of the middle. So I'm really excited about this project, but first I'm going to finish all the windows, of course. But this has been in my mind for a pretty long time, making a spiral stairs, and I think it will fit the cabin nicely. So I will do my best to make a nice spiral stairs, and yeah, time will tell if it will work out. And but I'm excited for this project, so I wanted to share it with you. Another project of mine is this chandelier, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to hang it in the middle of the roof, and then I tie a rope to it towards the wall so I can adjust the height when needed. Alright, that was it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on my future adventures. I'm going back to work, starting with the windows and the dinner table, and then you will hear from me soon. Take care.